Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today is Taco Tuesday, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a very easy soft taco. The ingredients that we're going to need today are ground beef, taco shredded cheese, tomatoes, shredded lettuce, onion, garlic cloves. I have the flour tortillas. I have the large ones, or you can use the size of your choice. Onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, oregano. I have 1 packet of the taco seasoning mix, the lower sodium one, sour cream, and also olive oil. Okay guys, so we're going to need 1 pound of ground beef. I have my taco seasoning, 1/2 of an onion diced, 3 large garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 a teaspoon of oregano, and also 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And we're also going to need 2/3 cup of water. You want to dice your tomatoes, and as you can see, I have my shredded lettuce, sour cream, and my shredded taco cheese. Okay guys, in a heated pan over medium-low heat, we're going to add our olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Now we're going to add in our onion. We're going to let that saute for 2 minutes. Okay guys, next we're going to add in our minced garlic. Let that saute in with the onions for about a minute. Now you can add in your ground beef. And all I'm going to do is go ahead and break that apart and make sure everything is well combined. Next, you want to go ahead and add in your oregano, your ground black pepper, garlic powder, and your onion powder. And all we're going to do is mix that in until it's well combined. And we're going to let our ground beef cook until it all turns brown. Once your ground beef is done cooking all the way through, we're going to remove it from our pan and drain it of all the excess grease. Okay, now you want to return your ground beef back to the pan after you're finished draining it. We're going to add our 2/3 cup of water. Sorry about that. And also our taco seasoning mix. And we're just going to mix that until it's well combined. You want to bring that up to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, we're going to turn down the heat and we're going to let it simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until it thickens. Okay guys, once your taco meat is thickened, all you want to do is go ahead and put it into a bowl. Now for our tortillas, you want to heat your oven to 300 degrees. We're going to take a piece of aluminum foil, and you should only put about 6 to 8 in them. And we're just going to wrap them, and we're going to place them into our oven for 10 to 15 minutes so they can warm up. Okay guys, so I placed my tortillas in a tortilla warmer, and I'm just going to place the lid over top so they'll stay warm. Okay guys, so now we're ready to assemble our soft tacos. So I'm going to take one tortilla and we'll place it into my taco holder. Now I'm just going to take some of our taco meat and put it on the bottom. Next, I'm going to take the sour cream and we're just going to go over top, put a line of sour cream in. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my shredded lettuce right over top. Add some tomato. And some shredded cheese. Okay guys, so here we have it, our soft taco. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.